A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Wednesday's trading action at Dalal Street dated February 16th, 2022. The sentiments have improved considerably after yesterday's spectacular rebound. Well, investors turned richer by Rs 5.4 lakh crore as Nifty Sensex posted their biggest gain in 1 year. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty strongly defended 200-day simple moving average of 16,811 mark. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty will aim to preserve its strength on reports of a pullback of Russian troops from the Ukraine border. That said, volatility could be the hallmark until investors are certain that Russia will not invade Ukraine. Focus shifts to the US 10-year Treasury bond yields that have moved up to 2.03%. Yields move higher on Tuesday as St. Louis Fed President James Bullard reiterated his call for the central bank to take aggressive steps to fight inflation in the first half of 2022. Bullard has insisted that the Fed needs to hike the policy rate by 100 basis points by July. So, all eyes will be on minutes of the 26th January Fed meeting. Technically, confirmation of strength on Nifty only above 17,807 mark. Confirmation of strength only above 17,807 mark. Intraday hurdles at 17,417 mark. For the day, support seen at 17,208 and then at 17,057. Expect waterfall of selling only below 16,811 mark. Please note Nifty's 200-day SMA is still at 16,811 mark. The street will now spy with one big eye on the trends relating to the 5 state elections including Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa and Manipur. Assembly polls in Uttar Pradesh have already kicked off last week, while Uttarakhand, Goa, and Punjab polls will take place next week. Manipur polls will be in the last week of February. In yesterday's trade, FIS selling spree continued as they sold to the tune of Rs 2,299 crores. FIS selling for the month of February is to the tune of Rs 16,265 crores. FIS total selling is more than Rs 1.55 lakh crores since October 2021. Our chart of the day is bullish on stocks like Balkrishna Industries, Bank of Baroda, Asian Paints and Titan on any early weakness with an interweek perspective. The one stock to buy right now, buy Balkrishna Industries February futures for 0 to 3 days at current market price 2119 for an objective of 2451. Stop 1989. Alert oversold zone. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022 4076 7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.